Hey, if you want to use radio in Cupra Formentor, first of all, you will have to click on this button in the right upper corner and go to radio and media. And first of all, you can go into radio, and if you want to switch stations, you can just click right here and tap play. If you want to increase or decrease volume, you will have to tap on this panel, like that, on the plus or minus. And you can also click here and set frequencies manually by selecting AM. Now you can tap here and you can find any frequencies that you want. If you want to save this, like for example 1170, click save, and you can click to add it as favorite. So now as you can see, it appears just right here. And when you open this radio one more time and go into this normal stations, you can click on their settings in the left bottom corner, open radio, and here you can find some additional settings, like for example the radio text, station logos. You can even change the station logo region, and also we can find online audio quality, so we can switch between high and low, and that's basically it.